Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use len function in Excel. So put equal sign and then len, first break. Yes, now select the cell where you want to count the letters. Okay, now here you can see there are 5 letters, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I'm gonna check A2 cell. So select the cell A2, enter. Yes, there are 11 characters. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There is a space also, and it's counted space also. So if I remove the space, you can see the len character count only 10, and the A3 also have a space, and there are 14 character. If I remove space, you can see now the characters are 13. If I add 2 more space, now you can see the len function defines the character 15. Hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.